Now my first motion is I'm squeezing up and in, and then I'm pushing it down and I'm getting that thing firmly fastened to that ceramic bat. You see that commercial tiles have a glaze on it, so they're naturally slick. And if you have water on the tile at all, when you first put that thing of clay down there, it's going to slide right off. But if it's not wet, it's going to stick, provided that you kind of do what I just did. You coat it up, and then you take it back down, right like that. Now we're centered, about to be centered. And the clay particles are all going the right way. Okay, so I'm centered. Take my thumb, go right at the base, got a little mushroom shape. This is all from Simon Leach, who taught me how to throw many years ago online. He taught me online. Okay, got a hole, and I'm gonna V it out. This is, I think he calls it the 7 stages of throwing a cylinder. I'm flattening out that base with my thumb, pressing down, taking my wooden rib and compressing it further. You want to keep it wet or things will start to get wonky. Okay, and I'm gonna collar it in, and I'm gonna go vertical with it. So I'm pressing down on the wheel head there, making it a little tough to clay, and now I'm just going up and in, trying to keep that clay in between my fingers equidistant apart. You want to not push it too hard, or you'll wind up tearing that top part off. Okay, now let's do the Waco tours. It's this one. Okay, so I'm going to dig in first. Again, we want, if I leave it out like this and I push it out, that's going to be coming way out far with that. I'm going to push in here a little bit at the base. I'll show you what I mean. Get that base as much in as I can real quick, so that I have a little bit of a, yeah, I want to make sure that this is not too wide, because otherwise it'll be dragging at 2 points. Okay, here we go. Pushing out, nice and slow. Working my way up, getting in that top part there. Boom. Making sure it's fully formed here, and I'm going to call that done. Let off slow so it doesn't get oblong at all. Okay. Let's get that look nice. Get that base. And pry it off. Do the Dairy Queen. And that, my friends, is the Waco tourist rib. This is the one that started the whole process for me of doing profile ribs.